First, when we talking about the sweepolets, we'll think of the teas. Under certain circumstances, the advantages of the sweepolets compared to the tea are as follows. 1. Sweepole tea saddle can overcome the defeats in the process of making tea without weak point. 2. Sealed better and easy to be installed. It won't affect main pipeline. 3. Sweepole tea saddle use less material than tea, so it has a more competitive price. In fact, the sweepole tea belongs to the products of weldolet, and its similar products are as follows. Then take the weldolet tea as an example to briefly introduce the similarities and differences between the weldolet tea and the sweepole tea. Weldolets may, in some situations, warp the pipe, i.e., unstraight and oval, due to excessive heat input arising from the relative thick required weld metal layer. Since the weldolet's weld metal thickness is always greater than sweepole tea, welding may require some extra time to allow cooling off on the heat input to prevent banana warping the pipe. Sweepole tea are less standard. Without having specific experience with sweepole tea, preparing and beveling the pipe for it may be more difficult time costuming compared to weldolets. Since the sweepole tea form is quite specific, the sweepole tea may be laid down on the pipe, and the contour can be drawn, and a lot bigger than weldolet tea. More material has to be removed. Hi-How Group manufacture and supply all types olets products, such as weldolet tea, sockolet tea, threadolet tea, litrolet, elbolet, nipple tea, sweepole tea, insert weldolet tea, cool tea, brazol tea, etc. We also can supply other piping products in different dimensions, materials and standards.